All dear YouTube family, welcome in my YouTube channel, Favicon Tech Lane. So guys, we will talk in this video about affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing, and everything about affiliate marketing business or strategies and full everything that you need. So let's start it. Over the years, जैसे जैसे टाइम बीत रहा है, affiliate marketing has steadily increased in popularity as the cost-effective strategy for the business, and this is quietly increasing day by day. Total 4 out of 5 brands implement some form of affiliate program incorporated into the marketing initiative, particularly for small businesses. For small businesses and so this marketing strategy enables them to increase brand awareness and boost sales with minimal बजट या कम से कम बजट के अंदर ये अच्छा से अच्छा प्रॉफिट देने की इच्छा शक्ति रखता है. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पे पर ट्रांजेक्शन नेचर इट also allows you to become business real ads cost while tapping into a wider market reach to optimize affiliate marketing outcomes. Business utilize software and tools to make process more and more and more. Okay, efficient and effective. If you are among the few remaining brands without an affiliate program, here are some of the best website marketing business that can jumpstart your affiliate marketing initiatives. Yes, initiatives. Referson is designed for business enterprises looking to drive e-commerce growth through ambassador, influencer, and affiliate relationships. Affiliate is the good thing. Affiliate. It simplifies the influencer and affiliate marketing process through automated workflows, data analysis, and digital tools, all in one platform. Referson enables you to do everything from onboarding your affiliate to paying commissions and required affiliate set commission structures, track performance, generated reports, and process payment in one user friendly interface for real time sales tracking and business efficiency. Integrate your commerce platform and external platforms such as Shopify and all these things. You can read it here. So guys, this is the video. If you find this valuable content, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Favicon Tech Lane. Bye bye guys.